Hey, what's up, guys? We are back. Okay, so here's the deal. Uh, so this video is gonna be a quick one because I have to still work on the 100 subscriber special today, and I don't think I could get it done today, is what I'm saying. So it's like 5:28 a.m. And because of yesterday's mishap, if you watch that video, I screwed up the first model, so I had to redo it and reprint it, and I didn't even have time to work on the 100 subscriber special. So I feel like I could possibly get it done in one day if I started right now, but I don't want to rush that one because I want to do a really crazy model for you guys. So let's do a filler model. Let's do something easy that I can put out today. And that'll let me take my time on the 100 subscriber special, and then I can get that out for tomorrow. So let's do, yesterday's video was what was it? Oh, it was that attempt at that fabric or movable material. And it was only half successful. So let's just whip up another one of them, like a different idea for kind of a movable material. Sometimes they call it fabric, but it's definitely not really fabric. So let's do a quick and easy one. Maybe. I always say that. And then I could get started on the subscriber special. Okay, hopefully my brain's working. It's a little early. I didn't even make my coffee yet. Oh, should I go make my coffee? Pause. Coffee pause. Okay, my coffee is brewing, so I'll have to stop in a little bit and grab it, and that is going to help us out. Okay, let's decide what we're gonna do for our fabric today. So let's use like ring links instead of hinges, because remember I wanted to make the fabric or material more floppy, and I don't think that the hinges, that was not the way to go. So let's crank these up, and let's just make a simple joint, and then we're just going to duplicate it a lot, and then we're going to print it. Is that, what am I doing? Oh gosh, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing yet. Okay, let's make this a little bit of an oval. The thing with like links is you want to try to make them beefy looking, because when they start to get small, then they will be very weak, So I try to make them really beefy looking to start with. So see, I just made an oval and I leaned it. So we're basically going to be looking at our angles like this, because we can't use supports, because there's going to be dozens, if not hundreds of these little links if you try to print this big, or like a wide version of the fabric. Ooh, I like this actually a lot. Yeah, it's just a little ring. Oh, it's probably because it looks like a donut, and that would be really good with my coffee. Yeah. Okay. So let's just, I just duplicated it. Would that be the quickest way to do it? Not really. Oh yeah, I guess it could be okay. Okay, oh, yeah. Okay, but see, that's not lined up then. Let me just see what this one looks like. We can always, so let's just make a nice beefy looking joint, because the joint's going to be small. But we need a printable joint. Oh wow, actually, Okay, is this one sitting on the... Is that one hovering? Oh, you silly goose. Let's at least drop this to the ground. And let's make this one a hole. Wow, we already have a workable joint, so that's good. We're cutting a lot off here. We don't have to do that probably. Okay, we definitely got to drop it. See, I like using the hole option because you can see if it runs into something, see? And we want to give ourselves plenty of room so it's not merging. Oh, look, it's not even lined up. Now it is. Okay, let's leave plenty of room because if we make this whole thing smaller, them gaps are going to be pretty little. And this is not even a gap, so we have to go down. Wow. This is actually some really good gappage. And look, these angles, it can print these angles. Right? We'll have to... Here, what does it look like if we turn this back? Oh my gosh, though. Is there room to... Oh. Dude, we might be able to whip this up really fast. I think. Therefore, I print. Is this a duplicatable thing, though? Oh gosh. We might just have to try it. Okay. We have one link already that we can duplicate. But I'm trying to think of how it will connect, like how it'll duplicate into a fabric. We're just going to have to try. So let's try something. Let's just duplicate this and spin it. Okay, let's see. Would this fit over here, or would there have to be... Okay, I mean, this might work. Okay, so I think what we're going to have to do... Are we going to have a centered object? Probably. Yes. Okay. So see... what kind of centered object do we want? Ooh, maybe this would be good. Oh, pretty. Wait, can I just make it taller instead of... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to try not to spend too much time on this. See, this is what I mean by a center object, because we're... let me think, though. I don't really know if I am thinking about this right or not. So with that same basic premises work... Okay. I feel like I'm not giving any useful information. I'm just like mumbling. Okay. Let's just do a little... Okay, it's just barely touching, so let's go in 1, 2, 3. Oops. You see that glitch? Okay, it's touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want it to be strong. Remember, I broke the other thing last time. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. That is really in there. So that was 10. Let's do that with... let's turn these to a hole. I probably should align them too. So it's touching. So did I count that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's Oh yeah, we can align these. Okay, we'll align them to this. Okay, how are we doing on time? 10 minutes? Oh god, we are golden girls. Oh, oh. We didn't want to move this, so yeah, whenever you align something, the object that you do not want to move, so hit align, and then click on the object you don't want moving, and that makes it the master. So see, now it'll align, you'll see the donuts move. Boop, see? That's what we want to do. Okay, so we have this, so if this duplicates and slides over, hey! Dude, are we like done already? Dude. We might be done already. Is that possible? I mean, we're gonna want some flat spots. Oh, is that floating? Okay. Whatever. Let's try it out, guys. I know I made this like huge. This link is gigantic. Actually, we're gonna shrink it down right now. A lot. Okay. Are you guys ready to duplicate this thing? And see if it even... See if this concept even works? Alright, ready? Duplicate and slide over. Hey, wow, this is cool. Okay, so let's just barely slide it over. Well, that makes sense as long as it's... We want a little gap. Well, there is a gap. So that's fine, right? That's a gap. Wow. Oh my gosh, I just realized this actually might look like fabric once we're done, kind of like crochet or knitted or, you know, I don't know. Ooh, crochet. Okay, look at... Oh, I just want to keep hitting duplicate. Okay, this time we're going to at least take a moment to stop and think if it's going to function. Because remember, if you watched yesterday's video, I made a little boo-boo. Oh. Wow, this is easy. It's only been 13 minutes. Okay, ready? We can do the other way now, and we'll be done besides maybe snipping off the bottom. Unless this part don't work, let's try it. Duplicate and slide a Rooney. Look at it. It does look like fabric. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, we'll do the same thing. We're going to slide it until it's just... So we have a little gap-a-rooney. That gap is very small. Let's make it a little better. Like that. Okay, and here we go again. Ready? Okay, how many did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to do 3 more rows to make a square. A doot, a doot, a doot. There. That's how easy. It's done. 14 minutes. That's like our new record. Okay, let's see if anything's... This is cool. See, it kind of does look like fabric because it looks like... It kind of looks like string or something is like woven, you know? I'm trying to think if any other... No. And look, all these are going to be loose. It should be able to move in like every direction imaginable. We might have just solved the world's problem of how to create 3D printed fabric. Just kidding. I'm sure there's awesome models out there. Okay, I see that some of these rings are pretty far down. Is the whole model down or something? Oh yeah. No wonder. Why is the whole model down? Is that what, did that happen when we shrunk it or something? Okay, hold on. We don't want to snip off more than we have to. So let's, oh wait. Do we want to get rid of these? We have time. We could get rid of these end ones like we did on the... Oh, look how easy they select. You get what I'm saying? Because if this is our finished size, we could get rid of these boop and boop. Oh yeah, that's easy. There, you get what I'm saying? We didn't need them end ones. That's only if you want to connect to more, you know. Okay, let's raise this whole thing up. Control up arrow. And then I'll hit D to drop it. Yeah, I knew I didn't have that much sticking under. Is there anything sticking under? I feel like we should do a little snip off the bottom to make some things touch better. Actually, we're definitely going to do that. Okay, so let's lower it down a little. I want to create some flat spots on everything, you know what I'm saying? Let's just take a look. Me likey. Yep. So we're going to have nice flat spots. We just have to snip it off. So you just grab the whole block, one of these squares, make it bigger than your model. Oops, make sure you don't leave parts sticking out. Okay, and then just slide it down. There, see? That'll cut everything off the bottom. All right, moment of truth. 17 minutes. We just did it. Wow, is this really going to be the new shortest video record? That's exactly what I needed. Because I could get started on the subscriber special. Oh yeah, that's going to be awesome. Don't miss that. That is going to be done tomorrow. Because I have all day today and it can print overnight. Come on now. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. Yee, wow. What makes it choose the color that it chooses? Some of our models, it'll choose like purple. This is fine. Okay, you know what? Let's just take one more look at it. Because see, each one of these is loose. So the way that this fits with this. Okay, so that's attached to here. Like each one of these has 3 or 4, but none of them are attached to the ones around it. So it has to move. Oh, it's going to be fantastic. And then what I'll do is I'll print it kind of big. By big, I mean, you know, so these links are nice and chunky. And maybe I'll print it solid so it's kind of strong. And then I could try to print it smaller and smaller and see how small we can make it. Because I think that's part of the point, is to make it like a thin fabric. And by thin, I mean like a ½ inch or an inch. So, okay, we're already done. This is weird. I didn't even go get my coffee. Oh yeah, there's our nice flat bottom now. So if I figured out my bed adhesion, I could probably print this without a brim, but I'll probably brim this up just so I don't have to worry about it. So, all right, I'll print this out, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Yay, it's done! Wow. Dude, this looks awesome. Dude, this actually just has a really cool look to it. Look at, but see what I mean, how this barely sticks? Look at, I mean, I guess this is cooled down now. Oh my gosh, I can feel it moving already. Look. Oh, I can tell this is going to be cool. Obviously, I have some brim work to do. Let's take off the main edge here and see what happens. Oh gosh. I definitely have some work to do. Oh my gosh, I can tell it's loose. Listen. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Dude, it's got like a really cool look to it. Can you guys see this? In real life, it just looks, satisfying. Okay, let me get the brim off and I'll get right back to you. Whoa, guys, I think we did it. We wanted to make fabric. Look at this. Look at this thing is incredible. Check it out. It feels really cool. Wow. I got the bottom a little dirty because I use sandpaper to. You guys ever do that? To get rid of the brims if they're really detailed or whatever. I mean, intricate brims. I just rubbed it on sandpaper like this until the brim came off. They got a little dirty. Look at how cool this is, dude. And this is really sturdy. Like these links are actually pretty big and sturdy, so we could print this way smaller. So look, second try, we made cloth for sure. 3D printed fabric. It even feels awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It sounds cool too. Wow. We'll have to print a huge sheet of this, but smaller, on the big printer sometime. Did. Success. Wow. I can't believe it. That's on our second try. I can't stop playing with it. Very cool fidget toy. Okay, I better stop playing with it. Wow, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this sort of thing, hit like and subscribe, and I'll do a video every single day. All right, hey, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.